Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to talk about comparison of design style. So here I am taking four design styles like full custom, standard cell, gate array and FPGA. So these four design style compare with the common parameter. So that parameters of cell size, cell type and cell placement, interconnection, then designing time. So this is the common parameter. So this five parameter is a common parameter. How the response is changed in the design style. So that we will discuss today's session. Let's move on to the video. So comparison of design style. Already I told here I am taking four design styles: full custom, standard cell, gate array, and FPG. So first I am taking the parameter cell size. So common parameter is cell size. The full custom cell size is variable. Then standard cell, here I am using the fixed height of cell. Then come to gate array. So gate array, here also I am using fixed cell size. Then come to FPGA. So FPGA also cell size is fixed. So here parameter is cell size. Full custom, the cell size is variable. Standard cell, fixed height. Gate array, fixed. FPGA, fixed. Then come to cell type. In full custom, cell type is variable. It's not a fixed one. Standard cell also variable. Gate array. So gate array, the cell type is fixed one. And FPGA, field programmable gate array, the cell type is programmable. Then come to cell placement. So placement of cell. So first one, full custom. The cell placement is variable. Then come to standard cell. So here in row, the cell placed in row format. Then come to gate array. So gate array cell placement is fixed one. Then come to FPGA. So FPGA also is a fixed one. Then come to interconnections. So interconnections of cell variable. Standard cell. So here also interconnection is variable. In gate array, the interconnection is variable, and FPGA interconnection is programmable. In FPGA, the interconnection routing is vertical routing and also horizontal routing. So both the routings are used. The routing is programmed one. Then come to designing time. So here design time for full custom. So it's slow. Standard cell. So designing time is medium. Then come to gate array. So the designing time is very fast. And FPGA very fast design time. In full custom, designing time is slow, standard cell medium, gate array is fast, and FPGA is very fast. So it's a comparison of design style. So here common parameter is cell size, cell type, and cell placement, interconnection, design time. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.